How to download Disney Plus on your Windows device easily and quickly. Whether you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, whether it's a desktop computer or a laptop, you just need to follow these steps to install Disney Plus on your device. So let's go straight to the Microsoft Store. That's where we're going to download Disney Plus. And most likely it'll show up right on the main page since it's a pretty popular app. What we're going to do is look for Disney Plus. Just type it in. Disney Plus, there it is, and we'll click on the first one that pops up. We'll hit Get, and the download will start right away. I'm not even going to make a small cut here because the download is super quick, see? 7%, 100%. Now we'll open it, and just like that, it's ready to go. Now you can accept or reject everything, and then it asks for your email address. Basically, at this point, you can set it up. You can also create a shortcut if you want. Just hit Allow. And now, if we go here, we've got a shortcut to Disney Plus. The logo is kind of ugly, but you can edit that. You can also pin it to the taskbar if you'd like. So yeah, that's how you can have Disney Plus on your Windows device. Like I said, here you just need to enter your email and log in. I don't have a Disney Plus account, but if you do, it's obviously going to work for you. Anyway, I hope this tutorial was helpful and that it worked for you. Leave a like and drop a comment. See you in the next tutorial.